Right, it's Chinese kit time. I have no idea what this is, but let's get it out onto a tray. Let's see here. Let's open it up. There's the... that doesn't help. Does not help. Nice. All right. It's got this black thing. Ah, I know what this is. And it's got a little surface mount doohickey. 3 to 5 volts, 5 amps. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I believe this is a high voltage transformer. And I think it's going to go zappy zappy. Kind of like a electronic ignition. 1, 2, 3. I think I'm going to need some help here. I don't know. I'm not quite sure. Hey, you can just kind of see inside the thing, clear epoxy. Oh, there's a little cable tie to hold this on there. And then 1, 2, 3, probably. The thing that's confusing me is these two wires that are twisted together. So I think it's just. Let's see here. I'm confused now. As is my normal state of affairs. Yeah, I'm not quite sure about that, but I think it's 1, 2, 3. And so this just must be a FET. That's an on-off thing. I'll have a switch here. All right. Well, let's just go for broke. All right, I say we put down the surface mount part first. And how should we do that? With a soldering iron, with a hot air gun? Yeah, soldering iron. Soldering iron, let's just keep it simple. Keep it simple. All right. Put a little bit of solder here to hold it in place. I'm going to try to hold this end and not get burnt on this end. All right. We'll get these two down so it won't move around, and then we can put a little more solder on the other side again. All right, and I'll put a little more solder over here. It looks like maybe it needs some heat out of it. It's going to dump 5 amps. I'll let it get hot here. Yeah, there we go. I think that'll do. That'll do. Do you watch Sean the Sheep Man on YouTube? He's a sheep farmer in Scotland, and he's got some dogs that are very, very clever. And the command for come back, come, is actually that'll do. That'll do. Of course, they kind of muddle it together, so it's that'll. I can't hold this thing. It's kind of that'll do is kind of one one sound. And I find it interesting because of the movie, oh, what was the name of the movie? The guy had the farmer, that it was an animated movie, the guy had a pig, and he entered it into the sheep herding thing. And the very, very last line in the movie is like, "That'll do, pig. That'll do." So they did their research. Come by and away. All right. And we get 2 resistors here. Oh no, a diode and a resistor. Okay, we can't muck this one up too badly. Never been to Scotland. I need to go there. My wife wants to go there. Don't think you want to go in the rainy season. Maybe it's all year long is the rainy season. I'm not sure. I'm from a wet place. I remember talking to my mom on the telephone in the middle of June. She says, it hasn't rained for 2 weeks. Yeah, that's what it does. That's what it does, Mom. But there, up in Northern California, it rained all the time, even in the summer. Even in the summer. All right, we got this one little thing to attach. We'll hold it in place with some blue tack. All right, we only have one component left, and that's the transformer. And it does have, boy, I don't know. Maybe it goes like this. Maybe it goes like this. Maybe these guys go in here. And it kind of gets tied down like that. And then we have 1, 2, 3. I'm going to say that's what you do. And yeah, good enough. Good enough. Oops. Come on. There we go. Yeah, I'll put it down. This video will probably come out way after Christmas, but getting ready for the holidays. Most of my shopping done. I usually have about 2 weeks of videos done before they get released, something like that. Oh man, this is not cooperating well. Close enough. Close enough. Garage. Okay. Now, what we want to do is we want to take the 1 and put it in the 1. Take the 2. Yeah, this will be the 3. And the 2. I'm just going to leave them long. Here, let me solder this one down so it doesn't flail on me. wires are... There we go. They have a little bit of pre-tinning at the end, so I'm just going to leave them long and let the tin do its thing. Okay. All right, so now we got these things out like a so, and I'm going to bend them in, expecting a spark over here. Okay. We need to put in 5 volts over here. So let me get a... you know my trick. I want to put a capacitor over here just to have 2 wires and keep them separated, and the little capacitor doesn't do anything. It just sits there and looks happy. Happy little capacitors. There we go. 5 amps, huh? Okay. Turn on my Keithley. And let's see how he's programmed. It's programmed only for 1 amp right now, so let's, oops. Let's see, channel 3. I set 5 amps. Oops, 5. Enter. What's going on here? Pretty sure this thing does 5 amps, doesn't it? I set. Oh, it only does 3 amps. Oh, I thought he did 5 amps. Okay, well, we need another power supply. All right, just a second, find a wire. All right. Let's see, this is minus, and this is plus, and we need 5 volts. All right, that's 5 volts at 6 amps, so that should work. Let me rearrange the camera. All right, will it fire? No. Let's see. No, I need to turn on the power supply. Run. Okay, now we got 5 volts. There we go. All right, let's push the button. Oh man, didn't work. I thought my 1, 2, 3 was right, but I guess it ain't. Oh man. All right, we'll have to look at the try to find a manual for this thing. I guess it's 1, 2, 3 the other way. Should we just swap 1 and 3 and see if it works? Yeah, that's what we'll do. That's what we'll do. Well, I don't know. I found it on AliExpress. What do they call it? They call it a DIY electronic kit, high voltage igniter, arc, cigarette lighter, blah, 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 blah. And they show it wired up the way that I have it wired up right now. So, I don't know. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Okay, it says that 1 and 3 are connected. So that one's going to go to 3. That one's going to go to 1. And then this one will be number 2. So it is wired differently. Okay. Maybe we have a chance. Maybe we have a chance. Let's try to put it back. One and 3 are connected. And 2. Two is a separate winding. Okay. Last chance. Last chance. Last dance. All right. Plus. Minus. Nope. Fail. Anyway, it was fun.